Hey guys, Andy here. This is January 20th, 2024. Yeah, crazy, huh? Anyway, I haven't posted a lot in a little while for a number of reasons. A, it's January and this is Indiana and it's bitter cold outside. Hence, it's been bitter cold in my unheated garage. So this cold basically really just put a complete damper on any motivation and mood I had and just put me in a really foul mood. And way too cold in here to basically do anything at all. However, I actually accomplished something today. I got my garage heater installed, and let me see if I can move the camera over there. There we go. Yeah, so I installed one of these garage heaters from Menards. This is a 5000/7500 watt one, and it works really surprisingly really well. And the amazing thing is I have a temperature maybe about a third of the way up on the 5000 watt setting, and it makes it shockingly pleasant, almost pleasant in here. It's actually entirely tolerable, you know, with some clothes and so forth. So I don't have a thermostat. I would say it's probably around 60 degrees-ish or so right now, which is totally not bad. So that actually makes it warm enough in here that I might come out here and actually start getting some real work done on the Volvo. Like maybe finishing up and getting my little patch panel all welded in. So this is actually really cool. This is I made this patch panel. This is a 20 gauge, and let's see if you can see. Yeah, you see that really cool lip. So yes, I know it's uneven, and it's uneven for a reason, because this lip is, I cut this to match the hole inside of the right rear wheel well. So this is all basically cut and basically ready to go. I might need to do a little bit more metal shaping in this to give it a little bit of a bend to get it to fit perfectly in there before I fit the screws. But yeah, this is all ready to go. So yeah, anyway, I'm feeling a lot better now that I actually got something accomplished in here. So yeah, let's just go ahead and take a super quick look at how I installed that guy. The other day I physically mounted this, and I finally got around to wiring the electrical on this. So let's just take a super quick look at. As you can see, this is mounted up on the ceiling. These are 24 on center joists on there, so I just added that piece of plywood across, and I put a couple of these there are these T-nut things in the back, and I put a couple bolts holding this this bracket up there. Okay, then inside here I got this thing. They call this a whip. It's for I guess it's for like I don't know, air conditioning units and hot tubs and that sort of thing. But anyway, it's this plastic conduit that had these plastic connectors, and this looks like a 10 gauge inside of it. So wired one of these up there, and I'm just wiring these up into those switches there. I have this what do you call it? This whip, which is basically, it's like a soft conduit that connects the heater to the junction breaker box here. And then, all right, so these lines come out of here, goes to the ground, and then yeah, so I didn't have any space for any additional breakers on this, so I split off the 50 going to my welder, and then that goes into these little three-way bus bars. So these guys are, yeah, it's off. Okay, so these little bus bars. You know what? I don't want to put them. But yeah, it's a steel bar with three screws in there, and then you attach these guys. So yeah, these work pretty well. Got all this stuff tested out. So kind of move these around nicely, and let's go ahead and get this guy buttoned up, and let's go ahead and get this guy buttoned up too. So these just go into there, nothing crazy. We've got heat. Anyway, so we now got the heater installed. It's a lot more pleasant to actually work in here, so hopefully I will be back out here actually getting something done. And you know what, the actually interesting thing is I actually got a little bit of video content from previous times that I really need to just edit and get uploaded to here. So I will actually try and work on those. So okay, thanks guys.